Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Isn't it children? Yes. So in ICT class, what lesson we are learning ma? So lesson number 7, useful computer tools. So in previous class, we have seen about text editor tool and then how to change date and time. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to learn the another computer tool, task manager. Let us go to today's class children.
So now we are going to see about task manager. So far we have seen on-screen keyboard, calculator and how to change date and time, everything. It is a type of tool, isn't it? So next we are going to see task manager. So this task manager shows the number of application running on computer. Okay, suppose if you are using tux paint or any other gcompress game, everything. Okay, so whatever application which is running on a computer, this task manager will list out that applications. Okay, so for example, if you are working on an application, so suppose if that application is not responding properly, sometimes it will stop it there itself. Okay, so in that situation you can use this task manager to close the program. Okay, it shows the reason and allows to close it. Okay, so this task manager, we have two users. One is Ubuntu and another one is Windows. In Ubuntu it is called as a system monitor. In Windows it option is called as task manager. Okay, so uh, if you want to use this system monitor and task manager in Ubuntu, you have to press the control plus alt plus delete. Okay, you can use this keyboard shortcut key to use that system monitor for closing the program. Okay, after giving that, you have to click on that particular application and you have to give kill process option. Okay, in Windows you have to press control plus shift plus escape key. Okay, and then you have to select that particular application and you have to give end task. Let us see in the upcoming slides. So this is the Ubuntu user. So here you can able to see the steps. So first you have to click on the dash place and there you have to select the system monitor, and then you have to right click the name of the application you want to close, and you have to select the kill process from the drop down menu. Okay, so that is the search bar and this one is system monitor. Next, Windows. So for that you have to select the taskbar. Okay, the bottom bar of the window is called the taskbar. There you have to select it. There you have to select start task manager. Okay, right click on the taskbar. It shows the option start task manager. You have to select that particular thing, and then you have to select the name of the application you want to close. Okay, and finally you have to click the end task. You can able to see in this slide. Okay, so next you have the activity, state whether true or false. Task manager is used only to close a program when it stops responding. System monitor in Ubuntu and task manager in Windows perform the same function. Third one, control plus alt plus shift is the keyboard shortcut to open system monitor. Read the statement properly and then write whether it is true or false, and then you can able to see the match the tools with their action. Tools are given in one side and their actions. Read that tool and along with that action and match it correctly. Third one, it is a choose. Lucy wants to close the on-screen keyboard as it stopped working. Which of the following will she use to restart it and use? Options: normal keyboard, task manager, quit, start menu. Kindly go through the lesson pages for solving the activity. Do it in the activity notebook.
Yes, children. So today we have learned about task manager tool. I hope you all understand the concept very well. Thank you, my dear students.